Well, aloha! My name is John, and I want to welcome you to my new and exciting channel, Journey, where I will personally be taking you on a journey to discover the real you, the true you, the you were always meant to be. Do you ever have moments in your life that you just wish you could just change, make a change, There are things that are in your heart you've been wanting to accomplish, goals, aspirations, just a destiny that you know is yours, but for some reason it's just, especially with life the way it is now, it's just kind of difficult to get there. Well, this channel is designed just for you. My name is John. Again, welcome to Journey. In this video series, I will be taking you by the hand and sharing my life experiences as a professional musician in the beautiful islands of Hawaii, having lived in the Cayman Islands in the Caribbean, as well as living in the tropical rainforest of Belize with the howling monkeys. And by the way, howling monkeys or howler monkeys do not allow you to sleep. But I will be using my life experiences and sharing them with you with the goal that you will be able to have tools, workable tools, by which you can change the direction of your life. I will take you by the hand, and I will give you tools that you can use to change your thought patterns and your attitudes. You see, because your attitude and my attitude really determines our altitude. So are you ready for the journey? I invite you. I liken self-development or reaching our goal to the changing of a butterfly from a caterpillar to a butterfly. The term is metamorphosis or metamorphosize, and what it truly means is simply to change. And I found in my own life that I was a caterpillar for many, many years, but I knew that deep inside was a butterfly. A butterfly that was so desirous to fly to newer heights and to accomplish and achieve so much more than the little caterpillar was doing. And so in the last year and a half, I have spent hours upon hours in self-development and working on myself. And it's a lot of hard work. And I'm going to help you to do that hard work as well, to dig deep into the recesses of your heart and of your soul and to really discover or uncover who is really there. Welcome to Journey. If this interests you, please continue to watch our videos. Thank you.